Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing both your music and dialogue, then place them on separate audio tracks so you can control levels independently. Once done, open the waveform view and align clip in and out points, because precision here prevents sudden jumps later. Make sure your sequence sample rate is 48,000 Hz and glance at the audio meters to avoid clipping. This prepares the timeline for clean gain staging before you change any volume settings. Now adjust gain at the clip level. Right-click the music clip, choose audio gain, and set a target peak or add a precise dB change. This fixes overall loudness. Next, open the track mixer and move the track fader to balance music versus dialogue. Track controls keep changes non-destructive. For detailed timing, add keyframes on the clip rubber band to create fades or duck the music under speech. Because dynamic control makes the mix feel professional and maintains intelligibility. Finish by applying gentle compression or a limiter on the music track to tame peaks and preserve perceived loudness. Then do a final listen on headphones and speakers so you catch balance issues. Once satisfied, export with proper audio settings, 48K HC, AAC, or WAV as needed. If dialogue still feels buried, make sure to use sidechain ducking, raise dialogue gain, or apply a mid-frequency EQ boost to speech. This troubleshooting step usually solves masking problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.